I created this long shadow in Photoshop with just one click. And the best part is it is fully customizable. Means I can change the direction of the shadow anytime I want. I can also change the text to whatever I want. And I can even use a logo instead. There are two ways to create this kind of long shadow. One is to create multiple drop shadow with multiple layers to achieve this kind of look. And the second one is one-click solution by using my Shadow Maker Photoshop action. You can download that action from my store. The link will be in the video's description. Alright, let's see how to achieve this manually. First of all, add your text. I already have the text added, as you can see. Convert the layer into a smart object so that we can edit it anytime we want. Now duplicate this layer and drag it down. Drop down its fill opacity to 0%. This will hide the layer's original content but keep the layer style, which we are going for. Put it in a group and call it shadow. Now the way we will achieve this long shadow is by using drop shadow layer style multiple times, increasing the distance and size accordingly. But as you know, Photoshop only let you add up to 10 drop shadows on one layer. We can fix that by duplicating the layer and continue from there. This is how you can add more than 10 drop shadows on one layer. Okay, so now right click on it and choose blending option. Click on drop shadow. Set the opacity to 20%, distance to 12 and size to 10. Click on the plus icon to add another one and change its distance to 14. Again, click on the plus icon and this time change its distance to 17. Keep adding more shadow and increase the distance and size accordingly. You can follow this property list. Take a screenshot of it or download the PDF from the description. Once you reach the 10th one, hit OK. Duplicate the layer and continue from there. It will be done within 3 layers and you are done. To change its direction, go to Layer, Layer Style and choose Global Light. From here, you can change the direction of the shadow to whatever you want. You can also change the text by double-clicking on this layer. It will open another document. Here, you can change the text. Close this document and save it, and it will update everything automatically. I know this is a bit of a longer process, but you can also do it with just one click by using the extension. All you have to do is to download the action from the link in the video description, go to Windows and choose Action. You will see the Shadow Maker Photoshop action. By the way, you can also create a harsh long shadow if you want to. But for now, play the soft one. And it will do everything for you. And the best part is everything will still be fully customizable as before. Now, if you're interested in 3D design but you don't have a powerful computer to handle complex 3D effect, you can check out this video where I show you how to achieve 3D effect without a graphics card installed in your PC. See you there. Until then, peace.